Back in time when I was in elementary school, me and my mom loved to spend time together watching Bollywood movies in bed. Good times! And of course, the level of beauty in Bollywood is breathtakingly beautiful, with long, thick black hair, dark eyes, and all, especially when the wedding scene and the dancing is so festive, and this look is purely inspired by that. I wish one day I could travel to India. It would be an unforgettable experience. Growing up, I rely on Kohl or Kajol for my eye makeup whenever I want to enhance my look of the day. Back in time, my mom also really likes to wear kajol. Also, my late grandma, I call her mommy, she teach me how to wear kajol not just in the eyes but eyebrows too, to have a full, thick, and dark eyebrows. Also, a mascara hack on how to fill in my eyebrows with natural result for everyday makeup. Maybe I will show you guys later. So, this look is really something that is close to my heart because all of that. And this is my first makeup tutorial ever. It's gotta be an inspired of Indian beauty. First pack. Here's my intake for a 90s or early 2000 Bollywood inspired look, but subtle. Back then, everything was so simple, so I kept it simple for this look. So you can wear this look for girls' night out or in the daytime too. Bollywood beauty is incomplete without kohl or kajol in your eyes. That makes a sharp, smoky, mysterious, sexy eyes look. It's the killer in this makeup. Filling in my upper inner eyelid first. Did you see the difference? Moving forward, I'm drawing in my lower inner line. Just a thin line because I want to make this a light look. And don't forget to curl your lashes. Also, do not forget about the power of red lips. Never underestimate it. Another story, every time I went to Singapore, Mustafa is a must. Before I can actually touch down to India, I always love Indian food and products there. I love Soan Papdi the most. It's one of the best desserts that I've tried. And done. Also, let's get cultured first so we can learn appreciation, honor, and respect for Indian culture more. Since I chose to wear Maang Tika here in this video, it's a jewelry for Indian women, usually for wedding ceremony for Indian bride. A beautiful, beautiful statement piece. Nothing but respect and adoration for their culture. And I want to simply greet if there's any Indian friends watching this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.